today we had a collaboration between UWC, DIPLOMICS and VCT, where we had us all working together to share information with high school students from high schools in the Western Cape. And the aim of today was to have them interact in a scientific laboratory and then also interact with scientists from academia and industry in marine biology.
So in April, when we did the teacher outreach, the teachers were very much interested in content and they wanted to learn more information that they could then take into their classes. Whereas today, the learners have been more interested in career opportunities in marine sciences, and we had excellent talks which gave them a broader depth of the type of career they could go into.
In high school, they don't get the opportunity to work with pipettes and DNA extraction, so this was an opportunity for them to see what it's like to be in a lab setting, and if it's something they like, that they can continue with this as a career option. So from UWC, we had Dr. Lonnie van Zyl and Prof. Marla Tindade here today, and they gave us some insights into academic research in the life sciences and marine sciences. We're very grateful for Professor William Froneman from UCT for being here with us today to give the students some background on marine ecology and just to show them what the options are in academia. And also a very big thank you to Yi Ting from Anchor Environmental to share today with the students some insights into careers in industry.
It's been a great pleasure today to co-host the Marine Sciences Outreach with the University of the Western Cape. They have organized this and they've run it here at the DIPLOMICS Training Lab for the marine science learners in grade 10, 11 and 12, many of whom have come through the Two Oceans Aquarium Foundation program. It's been a great experience working not only with UWC but also with the Western Cape Department of Education, who've been very supportive of this, and also with the Two Oceans Aquarium. And hopefully we've inspired some young minds to go into this field in future.